Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to Vibe Feature Friday. Today I'm going to walk you through options for connecting with participants remotely from around the world using your Vibe board. The first option is going to be a view-only option, using any of our third-party video conferencing applications. Simply select the name of the conferencing application you want to join, so whether that's Webex, GoToMeeting, RingCentral, or Zoom. You can open this up and join on the board, either join an existing meeting or host a meeting. And then once you've joined into that meeting, you can share your screen so that everybody on the other end can see what you're doing on the Vibe board. So I hit share and share my entire screen. Another option for collaboration with remote participants is inviting them into the actual board. So you can share with them the board code, invite them in via email, copy the link and paste it into chat. Once you've invited them in via email, you'll be able to see once they've accepted and they've joined the board, because their icon is going to pop up at the very top of the screen. You can also see anytime they're participating on the canvas, because their icon is going to pop up when they're drawing or making any changes on the canvas. And you can actually select their icon so you can follow them and see exactly what you're seeing. This is a very helpful feature because the canvas itself is infinite and you might have a board with multiple pages. That's it for Vibe Feature Friday. Thanks for joining and hope you have a great weekend.